Hello, and welcome to My Money Grows, where we discuss all things real estate. Today's topic is 4 ways on how to make money in real estate. Real estate is a great way to build wealth and create passive income. Here are 4 ways to make money in real estate. Rental properties. Rental properties are a great way to make passive income in real estate. When you own a rental property, you can collect rent from tenants, which can provide a steady stream of income. It's important to carefully choose a property that will generate enough rent to cover expenses and generate a profit. House flipping. House flipping involves buying a property that needs work, fixing it up, and selling it for a profit. While house flipping can be risky and require a lot of work, it can also be highly profitable if done correctly. It's important to do your research and carefully calculate the potential profitability before investing in a house flipping project. Real estate investment trusts. Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are a way to invest in real estate without actually owning property. REITs are companies that own and manage real estate properties, and investors can buy shares in these companies. REITs pay out a portion of their income as dividends to investors, making it a passive income stream. Vacation rentals. Vacation rentals, such as those found on Airbnb, are a great way to make money in real estate. By renting out a property as a vacation rental, you can earn significantly more per night than with traditional long-term rentals. However, it's important to carefully choose a property in a popular vacation destination and to comply with local laws and regulations. Those were the 4 ways on how to make money in real estate. If you're interested in any of these methods, be sure to do your research and consult with professionals to determine which option is best for you. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.